everybody. Today we are checking out Meet and Grease. This is an annual Ottawa car show, and I'm going to check out all the cars over here and also what they have to eat. I believe this is supposed to be a barbecue and car place, so let's check it out. So the first thing you can see is Kona Ice. And coffee. This is hosted by Duran Motorsport. Extremely hot, so we gotta have ice cream sometime. So they have cars of all kinds around here. Pretty much called everybody in Ottawa and other cities to come over.
Oh, okay, yeah.
This is a free event organized by car enthusiasts. Wow.
Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another year. We've got Tim Perry here. He's going to say a couple of words, and we're going to have my wife, Chris, going to say a couple of words also. So, Shree's right here.
Hey, thanks so much for coming out. Thanks for supporting this great cause. Thank you to all our volunteers. We still have some exciting things, the 50/50 and the silent auction at 3:30. Make sure to peruse our silent auction event and support our fundraiser barbecue, the 50/50, the silent auction, and visit the Rockford Fosgate Band. Rockford Fosgate has donated a powered sub box worth $500.
Wow, thank you very much, everyone. And yes, I'm the proud city councilor here in Beacon Hill, Searville. But I just have to say a couple of quick words. Back 5 years ago, a much shorter Aiden, much shorter, said, yeah, we're going to have a car show and get everyone together and raise money for charity. And I tell you right now, this whole family, Andre, Terry, Aiden, they're salt of the earth. These people really care about our community. So I want everyone to give us a big round of applause for Aiden and his entire family for getting this great event put together.
This is the chicken burger. This is the hot dog, and this is the regular burger. Now the thing is, they're $3 each, and that is like a ridiculously cheap price for charity. So yeah, you're not gonna get the best quality, but the best, but is pretty damn cheap. And it's all going to charity, so that's what this is worth. So it's worth giving them a tip in the end. The chicken burger, they don't really have the lettuce and stuff like that over there because it's going to be taken up all really quickly. So the only condiments that were there were the onions, mustard, ketchup, and the relish, the usual stuff, which is really good for hot dogs and I guess burgers as well. So it wasn't too. Maybe it's best to. The only problem with getting the burgers is that everybody's getting the burger because $3 for a burger is super cheap. They also have veggie burgers there. I should have put a little more sauce on this one. It's all right. No, it's not good. Somewhat dry, but it'd be better if you guys have more sauce around here and condiments, but you know, they didn't anticipate on this many people being here. Hot dog, the tried and true hot dog. It's a classic. You can't go wrong with the hot dog. Super hot. So make sure you get some ice cream and popsicle. Get some shaved ice. Finally for the burger. You know what? The burger is the best of everything. I don't know if it's because it's the freshest one out, but it's the juiciest one of all of them. More flavor. Burger $3, worth it, especially when it goes to charity. But you're gonna have to wait a long line for it. So they call this a rev off. Oh, come on. Yeah. He's even laughing about it. So.
All right. That's number one. What do you think?
Woo!
That's good. Rev it up. Let's go. Okay, the Mustang. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, get your phones out. You got your phones out? Two, one, go! Let's hear it for the cars. Round two. Okay, Brian, we'll do the far one. Okay, let it rip. All right.
Well, that does it for me for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Check this event out when you have the opportunity to do so, because it happens every so often, and they're going to have another one later on this year for CHEO. This is our children's hospital. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.